Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare a very unique and spicy chicken recipe. So the ingredients that we require to prepare this recipe are I have taken half kilo chicken with bones, medium size. Here I have taken 2 tomatoes. I have sliced them. 2 medium size onions. Here I have taken coriander powder, cumin powder. Now this coriander, cumin and black pepper, friends, I have dry roasted them and then I have powdered them. So first dry roast and then make the powder. So here I have taken 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Here sugar as per our taste. Sugar we have used a pinch. Salt we are going to use as per our taste. Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon. Here I have taken 2 dried red chilies and I have broken them into halves. This is 1 teaspoon of white vinegar and I am going to prepare this recipe in mustard oil. So now let's get started. So here I have taken 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and I have heated the mustard oil. Now I will reduce the flame, and in this oil, friends, we will put first the dried red chilies. Then we will add the chicken pieces. Be careful, friends. So now first on a medium flame we will fry this chicken for near about 2 minutes. After frying it for 2 minutes over medium flame, I will add the tomatoes. And I will increase the flame to high and I will saute and cook this for 1 minute. After 2 minutes, friends, you can see the tomato is cooked, and now we will add the red chili powder. I am using Kashmiri red chili powder. Please add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Vinegar. And the spices now. Now we will roast this like this for about 5 minutes. Now friends, we will add the onion and salt as per our taste. And will now cook this till our chicken gets cooked properly. Friends, we will not add water to this recipe, so we have to cook it like this only. So friends, I have cooked this chicken for near about 15 minutes. And you can see it started leaving oil. Our chicken is done, it's ready. So now I will put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. So here, friends, our yummy chicken recipe is ready now. I have garnished it with spring onions, spring onion green. You can use coriander leaves to garnish. You can use green chilies to garnish. This will have a very nice and yummy hot and sour taste. You can also sprinkle little black pepper powder. And here is our Very yummy chicken ready to be savoured with rice, plain boiled rice or rotis. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.